Okay, so dihydrogen phosphate ion is amphiprotic, and we talked about how amphiprotic means it can either that substance is capable of acting as either an acid or a base. Water is a great example, but so is the dihydrogen phosphate. Oh, that should be a S there, phosphate ion. In which reactions here, one, two, or three, is it serving as a base, which means, hey, it's going to accept the proton as we go from left to right. Remember, I know they're reversible, remember, but on the right, they can only be conjugate acids and bases. So only on this side can you be an acid or a base on this side here. So let's look at the first example here. So let's see if H2PO4 accepts the hydrogen ion, and yes, it does. So I'm going to circle reaction one for sure. So that definitely is a base here. Now let's look at number two. I don't see H2P4 on this side. I see it on this side. So here, HPO4 is accepting it. So this would be a base. This would be a conjugate acid going back this way. So it doesn't, I mean, it doesn't play out at all here. H2PO4 is not even on this side. And then here, number three. Three is a little tricky here. It looks like a synthesis reaction here. But you have the H3PO4 phosphorus acid and HPO4 2 minus. Okay, so you don't see H2PO4 on this side, but you do see it on this side. So here it could act as a conjugate acid or base. So I apologize. Serving as a base, it could also be a conjugate base, not just a base itself. But we go back this way, and it's hard to decipher because you see here that either species, if you go in reverse, H2PO4 can either lose the hydrogen ion, and so it would be a conjugate acid, or if you look this way, where in this case we go from H2PO4 to H3PO4, it looks like it's a conjugate base. So hypothetically, I like choice three. So here it's got to be letter C, where in this case H2PO4 is acting as a base in number one, but in the forward reaction. But it's also acting as a base in three as a conjugate base, or a base in the reverse reaction, depends how you look at it. So yes, choice C.